So you're looking for quality traffic sources that are going to build your online business, your online affiliate marketing company, or your online network marketing company? Well, you came to the right place. If you were looking for Udemy solo ads or reviews on Udemy solo ad sellers, or you were going to My Lead Gen Secrets, I wouldn't recommend doing either of those. And I'm going to tell you why. See, when you're getting any kind of traffic, it's important that you have, quality traffic. And on Udemy, you'll find some good sellers on Udemy, don't get me wrong. But the problem with Udemy is that when you go and you buy traffic, it's like you give them a link and you never hear from them again. So they're not going to actually help you or tell you if your page is going to convert or try to get you the best results. They're just going to send traffic to whatever offer you give them in a link, right? And that's the worst thing you could do when you're buying traffic. I hate to see people, go and get traffic, blindly spend a bunch of money not knowing what they're doing. And, that's how people get into debt. And I'm not all about having people get into debt. Even though I sell traffic, I would never give people something and send traffic to something that doesn't work, right? And, my thing is with My Lead Gen Secrets, a lot of people are using that, and you might make some sales every here and there, but it's really just a crappy traffic source. My Lead Gen Secrets is not a really good traffic source, and if you were using My Lead Gen Secret, I have a lot of people that are like, I got 14,000 clicks and no sales. Well, it's all in the traffic source, right? And a lead isn't a lead until they actually get onto your list, right? So they're not actually your lead until they go from that system onto your list. And it's important to be able to build and grow your own list, right? And, I would only use something like that if I was sending them to a capture page when I send out those mailings, and I would not use a paid version of that software because it's just not worth your money. You'll be wasting your money, throwing your money down the drain if you use a paid version of My Lead Gen Secret, right? So you want to get quality traffic, you want to get real people, you want to get people that actually continue to buy from you. Well, this is why I created this site, and I'm a marketer first before anything, and my goal is to get you targeted traffic to your offers that you're promoting, and more importantly, the traffic sources that you get traffic from are important as well. Where I get traffic from is from many different sources, such as Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you want to use a combination of those traffic methods, and so when you get traffic from me, I actually help you be able to get the best results possible. And I'm like no other seller out there because I'll actually sit with you and help you to get the best results possible. And I help you to manage and set up your funnel, your offers. I help you to get the highest converting pages that my clients use to get as high as an 85% opt-in rate. And I'm going to help you to understand also how to track your leads and sales and your conversion rate, which a lot of people don't do. I know when I first started learning about traffic, nobody would help me, nobody would show me what to do, so I didn't know my opt-in rate, I didn't know my conversion rate, I didn't know what I was doing, I was just guessing and everything like that. And that's the worst thing you could do. That's what could land you into debt, right? So you don't want to do that. And I also will help you get engagement from the highest engaging people, the right people that want to see your offers and that want to actually do business with you. And so you can get started in 3 simple steps. You just pick your package. Then after you, pick your package, then you have the option to do a campaign review, which means I will sit with you and help you to get the best results and help you to get everything set up. And all orders start within 3 days or less, depending on when you order, right? I like to make sure everybody has the best results, so I don't like to rush things, and I want to make sure that you're actually getting focused attention on your campaign, right? So a lot of people don't run a lot of traffic all at one time to different people. I don't really like doing it that way. I'd rather focus on your campaign first and have you get the best results, right? And here's some of my results right here. 50% opt-in rate, 2 sales off 200 clicks, 5 sales off 200 clicks, a sale off 300 clicks, 3 sales off 200 clicks, 7 sales off 200 clicks, 4 sales off 200 clicks, 5 sales off 200 clicks, 3 within 24 hours, 2 sales and 1 upsell, 200 clicks. 200 clicks is actually one of the highest converting packages that we have, but the more traffic you get, the cheaper it is. So here's your traffic packages. You can pick a traffic package right there, or you can pick 100% T1 if you want the best results. That's up to you. And then you come down here and you want to look at this portion. So if you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out. I also have a free Facebook group. The links are going to be in the description, and you'll be able to book a call after you book your traffic package. So you don't have to go to Udimi, you don't have to look up reviews, you don't have to do any of that stuff. I'm going to help you personally, and you can reach out to me. I do a lot of my communications through Facebook rather than on a platform like Udimi, right? And I like to help you get results. So if I see something's not going to convert, I'll tell you, and I'll tell you how to make it better. And that's a good thing about me, is I don't want you running through a bunch of traffic, not getting any results, not knowing what you're doing, and just blowing through your money, right? Because then that doesn't help you, and that doesn't help me as well, because I want to see you get results, right? Because if you get results, that means you'll come back to me. If you get results, that means you have financial freedom and time freedom, right? If you don't get results, you'll be spending money, blowing through money. You won't be able to build your business, and you'll probably end up quitting, right? So I want to see you get the best results possible. So yeah, make sure you click on the link below this video to get your traffic package. There's going to be a link below this video for your traffic package. Just click on that link below, and that's going to bring you to this page right here where you can order your traffic, and I'm happy to help you. Like I said, you don't need to go to Udimi. You don't need to use things like My Lead Gen Secret. You don't need to use any traffic exchanges or anything like that to try to get traffic. I'm going to help you get the best results possible. So make sure you click on that link below this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave me a comment. Make sure you let me know how my traffic's been working for you, because I love the feedback. I love to always improve, and I like to help you as well. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.